today's video, I'm going to talk on how to do Amazon affiliate marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started to the Amazon affiliate program and how to promote affiliate product in the better way. In this method I'm going to show you is a brand new method which does not require a landing page which block more people to reach your product. In this method I'm going to show you is brand new. Make sure you stick to this video until the end of this video, because at the end of this video I'm going to show you how you can maximize the revenue from Amazon. Without further ado, let's go started. In order to join on Amazon, you have to first to create an account on Amazon. Go to Google and search Amazon. Amazon, yes. You will see the first link, which is Amazon official site. Click on Amazon official site. When you reach here, make sure you create an account here on Amazon, because I'm already have an account here, and that's why I'm already logged in directly. If you have no account here, make sure you sign up the account. After creating an account here, make sure you remember the email which you create here and the password, because we are going to use this email and the password on another website which belongs to Amazon too, which is called Amazon Associate. Amazon Associate is a website which created by Amazon for the affiliate to promote Amazon product. So after creating an account here on Amazon official website, now let's go to Amazon Associate, which is a website for Amazon affiliate. So go to Google and search Amazon Associates, like this, Amazon Associate. You will see the second link. The first link is the Amazon official website. The second link is the affiliateprogram.amazon.com. So go click here. Yeah, here you can create a new account. As you see, this is my statistics. I have already started affiliate marketing on Amazon. I'm already started Amazon affiliate marketing almost 2 weeks, but I'm already made a single sale using these strategies I'm going to show you. If you come here on Amazon Associate, you will see nothing here, so you have to create an account or log in by using Amazon account credential, using the same email and the password which you created on Amazon. When you come here, just log in using Amazon credential. When you sign up, you will see the dashboard which is empty. Now is the time to start to promote a product from Amazon and make a commission. So in order to start to promote Amazon product, you don't come here. This is pressed for statistics only and other materials like banners and links. But in order to get links or to promote any kind of product, we just back to Amazon again, so as to start to promote a Amazon product. If in order to start to make it to be an affiliate in Amazon, all you need to do is just using a PC, or if you're using mobile phone like me, you can switch on to desktop view, desktop site like this. When you switch up to the desktop site like this, you will see this Amazon Associate above your Amazon here. Site stripe, Amazon Associate site stripe. This means that your account which you created on Amazon is linked to Amazon Associate. Now you are an affiliate of Amazon. So here you can promote any product you want. For example, I want to promote maybe this product. Yeah, maybe this product. You can click the certain product and then you want to promote it, and so as to get links, to get affiliate links of this product, just go above, go to the Amazon Associate site stripe above your name, Amazon website. In order to get a link of this product, just click on text. Yeah, click on text. No, I'm click on long place. Just click on text here. Text. Yes. When you click here text, you'll see the link. This is short links and a full link. Yeah, it's better to use a short link of Amazon. So click the link, the link will open up and copy the link. By doing so, you are now have a link. Let's try this link if it is working, and you can send people to the same product. For example, we put this link to browser and click it. I think it will direct us to this. I think you believe that this link is an affiliate link. When a person buy or click the link will send direct to the product. When someone buy your product, you get a commission. So now we get a link, and we get a link of the product. Now it is a time to promote. So it's a time to promote. For my strategies which I'm using to promote affiliate product, I'm just using a Facebook page, because the Facebook page is a modern way to promote affiliate product more than a landing page, because most of people on YouTube say about landing page, but the landing page is the only way to promote affiliate product, because there is more obstacle which can hinder you to promote affiliate product using landing page, because some people may enter a fake email, or most of people may not open your email. Sometimes people may change their email, so there is more obstacle which can lead to poor sale using email marketing or landing page. Now today I come with a new affiliate marketing strategies which can help you to sell more. In this method is by using Facebook page. All you have to do is just go to the page. Yes, and create a new page. Create a new page related to the kind of product you want to promote. For example, if you create a page on cosmetic and beauty, you can start to promote cosmetic and beauty. Create that page which related to that niche, and start to make a post related to it. For example, I'm just creating the Facebook page related to betting. For example, I want to sell a betting product. I come here, I'm creating a betting Africa, betting Africa. Yes, for example, here I will start to review different products from betting. Yeah, I can do that way. For example, in my strategies, I'm using. Let me jump into another account so as to show you how I'm doing. Yes, this is my another account here. For example, me, I'm using these strategies for only 1 week. I was created a page which called a product review. In this page, I'm review product from Amazon. Amazon. For example, if you see this is a review of different product from Amazon. In this reviewing, I'm started almost 2 weeks ago, but wonderful enough, I'm already made a single sale. If you want to make money using this strategy is fantastic, because most of people will join your page and they don't leave. So you'll post more. As long as the time goes on, the people will join more, and the post you will increase. So you'll get more sales, because people can buy more again and again and again, depending on how much you post a product or you review the product per week or per day. And this method is better than email marketing, because you will post more, and the more people will join, and the more people will sell through your page. By doing this, you will find a lot of sale on your Amazon affiliate. So I'm going to show you how you can write this review, like how I'm doing myself, because I have knowledge. I know that you have knowledge on others product, for example, cosmetic or skincare. So in order to write this, for example, here we have a link. Now it is the time to find this review. How can you find this information? Because in order to make a sale on your affiliate program, all you have to do is just to provide education more education than sale. If you put education front, now you will sell more. This is the law of affiliate marketing. So now people need to know something before purchase it. So in order to do that, we need something which can light this information for us. In order to get this information, now we can use a chatbot, because chatbot can light anything for us. So now we are going to the chatbot and light anything, ask anything to light anything for us. For example, we can come here in the chatbot called ChatGTP. Yeah, make sure you know the real name of the certain product. The certain product, you can come here and to ChatGTP and write anything, maybe write review for what? For gloves. For gloves product. I think you know. Yeah, the chatbot will start to write for us. I think you see how the chatbot is lighted. This is information which we can use to put it on your Facebook page, and at the starting and the end of this information, you can put your links, your affiliate links. So when someone read, at the end you can write if you want this product, click here. For example, on my page, let me show you. Lash enhancement serum review. I'm put the Amazon link here, and I'm providing information and for the introduction of what the lash enhancement, benefit of using lash enhancement, and at the end I'm put how people review lash enhancement in this. And at the end of this conversation, I'm putting Amazon affiliate link again. For example, here you can say get it here. So people click here and they go to purchase. If you do this, after a few months, after a few years, you will see the change. Most of people will join your group and you will make more sale. This is modern way. If you like my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like and share my video so as to support my channel. I'm new. Thank you for your time, and we shall meet on the next video.